Hello everyone and welcome back to the second haul for this new release. This second haul is for Christmas. The collection is called Merry Little Christmas, and I love the fact that they came back with this color combination, which is light pink with mint green. If you remember, and you just saw before, they had the Sweetest Christmas collection like 2-3 years ago, I think, and I love that collection. And yeah, I love that they came back with that same style, retro style. So for the big pad, which is 12 by 12, as usual, we have, as always, we have the first sheet, which is the fussy cutting sheet, and I love that pink car. Look how adorable it looks. I'm loving it. The tree, the phone, and so on. Look at the first page. The first page, when I'm looking at it, I just don't know how I could cut it to contain both the left lower corner and the upper right corner, because yeah, it's absolutely adorable. This is what we have on the back: snowflakes coming down on a mint green background. This is same setup as in Sweetest Christmas, and on the back we have this lovely Christmas motif. The third page is adorable again, with a red truck, Christmas truck in the woods. You can see that it's snowing and it's absolutely lovely. And on the back we have this knitted, how do you call it, pattern, sorry. Then we have the wreath. They always have the wreath in their collections. And then we have this plaid on the back in red and white. Then we have their florals, absolutely adorable poinsettias, with the same snowflakes coming down on a light pink background this time. And now we have, as usual, the sheet with the tags. They are 4 by 3, that means 10 by 7.5 centimeters, and they are absolutely adorable. Same on the back, they contain all the patterns that we saw in the collection basically. And now, you know, they are twice, they are repeating. And now I will show you the small 6 by 6. As you know, the 6 by 6 is basically the 12 by 12 but scaled down, and it's since the last release they added fussy cutting sheet for the 6 by 6, so they are perfectly scaled. So again, as you know, every 6 by 6 pad contains 24 sheets, 6 designs repeated 4 times. And this is how they look, and they are very, very useful when you make albums. It's impossible to use just 12 by 12 papers. When you have all kind of flaps and pockets, bigger pockets, then these 6 by 6 papers come in handy extremely well. So now they start repeating, and this is how they look. I just get such a good feeling only looking at them, and I can't resist them. I realize that I cannot resist them. And this is the 6 by 8 pad. Again, it's a add-on pad, so it's not the same papers like I said in the previous haul video, but different. Look here at all these knitting patterns, absolutely lovely, and they are so fussy and so lovely. Look at this one, the pink one. You can see that this is an Angora wool, absolutely adorable. It gives you that fussy, lovely, comfy feeling that, yeah, I just can't shake off almost, which is very good. And it's only August, indeed it's end of August, and I haven't started listening to my Christmas music yet, and I'm amazed, because in my previous years I was starting already in July. But no, this year not. It seems I'm yes. Okay, so you will see the papers while I'm talking here. And now comes a fussy cutting sheet with wreaths and flowers. Adorable. And then comes another one, and here we have some I think from stories from, yeah, Christmas, old stories, who knows. Absolutely adorable. and I like the font that it's in a typing machine font. And this is the second fussy cutting, and then again it starts repeating. So the 6x8 pad contain also 24 pages, 8 patterns repeated 3 times. So I think very useful. And again, like I said, I haven't discovered yet how I will use them, but I'm very much looking forward to that. I haven't even started creating my Halloween series yet, but yeah, there is time for everything. This is the chipboard stickers sheet, and now I turning it on the other side to show you the ephemera pack, which usually contains about 55 ephemera cutouts. And yeah, they are adorable, as you can see. In the right upper corner you have the card, the pink card, which I adore. You have the sleigh, open sleigh. You have a tray filled with gifts. You have the Christmas tree, of course. You have many baubles and many Christmas tree decorations. You have a coffee cup filled with marshmallow hot chocolate, I guess. You have the deers, pair of skis. Yeah, absolutely adorable. Bells, houses. And for Christmas as well, of course, I couldn't have skipped the opportunity to buy some chipboard decorations as well. So this is a more classic one with angels and the barn where Jesus was born. And this is with sayings like, you know, Merry Christmas, cheers, let it snow, Holly Jolly, winter, and so on. And they are pretty big, so I'm guessing for these ones they will be probably most suited on albums. So that is the Christmas edition and collection, and all I have left is to show you the Grandma's attic. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.